If you're wondering how to offer e-commerce solutions with Vendasta, then stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how this powerful platform can supercharge your e-commerce business, no matter the size. Whether you're looking to streamline operations or boost your online presence, I'll explain why Vendasta could be the perfect fit. First off, let me mention that you can get started with Vendasta for free. Simply use the first link below to claim our exclusive offer. Stick around because I'll share some incredible bonuses with you that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to know about Vendasta is how it helps businesses grow by offering a suite of tools that simplify running an e-commerce operation. Vendasta provides an all-in-one platform that covers everything from website creation, CRM, and email marketing to order management, invoicing, and even analytics, making it a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Next thing you should consider is the platform's marketplace, which allows you to easily sell and manage e-commerce solutions for your clients. This means you can offer pre-built, customizable tools like e-commerce websites, SEO services, social media marketing, and more, all from within the Vendasta platform. Plus, you get to white label these services so they look like your own brand. The third thing is the simplicity of the dashboard. Vendasta's interface is incredibly user-friendly, so you don't have to be a tech expert to make the most of it. Whether you're managing customer data, tracking sales, or adjusting your marketing campaigns, everything is at your fingertips in an intuitive layout. Fourth thing, automation. Vendasta allows you to automate critical tasks like follow-ups, appointments, and marketing campaigns. This is essential for e-commerce businesses that want to operate efficiently and without the constant manual work. Once you set up the automations, the system runs on its own, freeing up your time to focus on scaling your business. Fifth, it's all about reporting and insights. With Vendasta, you get powerful reporting tools that help you track your sales, customer behavior, and marketing performance. The platform generates clear and actionable data so you can optimize your strategies and improve your ROI. Finally, one of the best parts is the customer support you'll have access to. Vendasta offers extensive support resources, from live chat and help articles to training videos. Plus, their team is always ready to help if you run into any issues or need assistance navigating the platform. As I mentioned earlier, you can get started for free. By using the exclusive link below, you'll get access to the full Vendasta platform and its e-commerce solutions. And as an added bonus, you'll receive extended trial access, giving you even more time to explore all of the powerful features Vendasta has to offer. To sum it up, Vendasta is an incredible solution for anyone looking to offer comprehensive e-commerce tools. Its ease of use, powerful marketplace, automation features, and detailed reporting make it a standout choice for businesses that want to thrive in the digital age. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial through the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.